light. Sikandar, the world is your stage, riding high, turning the page. With every step, the earth will shake, a legacy no one can break. Sikandar, the world is your stage, riding high, turning the page. With every step, the earth will shake, a legacy no one can break. By his side, armies stand tall. From every corner they hear his call. Through the deserts, through the rain, he's the storm, he'll conquer the plain. A hero's path not made for ease. The gods watch closely, they're not at peace. But Sikandar laughs, his spirit won't bow. The world is his kingdom here and now. Sikandar, the world is your stage, riding high, turning the page. With every step, the earth will shake, a legacy no one can break. Sikandar, the world is your stage, riding high, turning the page. With every step, the earth will shake, a legacy no one can break. By his side, the armies stand tall. From every corner they hear his call. Through the deserts, through the rain, he's the storm, he'll conquer the plain. A hero's path not made for ease. He came to rule, to shape the land. A king, a dreamer, with destiny in hand. Through love and war, through fire and stone, Sikandar's name will forever be known. Sikandar, the world is your stage, riding high, turning the page. With every step, the earth will shake, a legacy no one can break. Sikandar, the world is your stage, riding high, turning the page. With every step, the earth will shake, a legacy no one can break. Through the sands of time, his story lives, a timeless king who dared to give. Feel the beat, feel the flame, Sikandar's legend remains the